Welcome to this course of Design and Analysis of Algorithms. We are starting with this new course. This is the first lecture, that is the introduction lecture. In this lecture, we will cover the topics which are required to get started with this course. Now let's get started with this lecture and let's see the topics one by one. We'll first cover what is an algorithm. We will understand what an algorithm is, and then we will see the syllabus of this entire course. Finally, we will have a look at the target audience so that you will get to know whether you are the right person to take this course or not. Now, let's get started and let's see what is an algorithm. So, what is an algorithm? An algorithm is a step-by-step procedure to solve a specific problem. Through an algorithm, we can solve a specific problem in hand. In order to understand this properly, let's take one example. Let's say that we have this problem. We need to write an algorithm to scan the phone's contact list. We need to write an algorithm to scan the phone's contact list. This means we need to write an algorithm to search for a specific contact in the contact list. How we are going to write an algorithm to solve this problem? Algorithm is just a fancy name to write steps to solve a specific problem. So now let's try to write the steps to solve this problem. The very first step is to unlock our phone. Then we need to open the Contacts app. Then after this, we need to start scanning the list. After opening the Contacts app, we can start scanning the list. Then we are ready to compare the contact name with the desired contact name. We need to compare the desired contact name with the contact name which we are seeing on the list. If it is the case that the names match, then match is found. If it is the case that the names do not match, then we will move to the next contact in the list. We need to repeat this process until the desired contact is found. So these are all the steps which we can follow in order to solve this problem of finding a contact in the contacts list. Let me repeat the steps one more time. We first need to unlock our phone, then we need to open the Contacts app, then we need to start scanning the list. We then need to compare the contact name with the desired contact name. If the names match, then match is found. If the names do not match, then we will move to the next contact in the list. And we need to repeat until the desired contact is found. So with this, we have understood what an algorithm is. It is a step-by-step procedure to solve a specific problem. Here we have solved the problem of finding a contact in the contact list by writing these steps. So this is the step-by-step process, and hence we can say this is an algorithm. So now as we have understood what is an algorithm, let's see the syllabus of this entire course. In this course, we will first dive into the introduction chapter. We will understand various topics under the introduction chapter. Then we will move to the next chapter, that is asymptotic notations. The third chapter will be time complexity of loops. The fourth chapter will be time and space complexity of recursive algorithms. Then we'll move to the fifth chapter, that is methods to solve recurrence relations. The sixth chapter will be divide and conquer algorithms. The seventh chapter will be greedy algorithms. The eighth chapter will be dynamic programming. The ninth chapter will be graph representation and traversal. And the 10th chapter will be sorting algorithms. We will cover all these chapters in depth in this course. This is just an overview of the entire course. You don't have to worry about the names that I've written here. Gradually, we will understand each chapter and the topics under each chapter properly. Now, as we have seen the syllabus, let's see the target audience of this course. The target audience are the students who are preparing for interviews and competitive exams like GATE, NET, etc. If you are a student who is preparing for interviews or maybe competitive exams, you will likely to find this course very helpful. Or if you are a software developer, engineer, or a tech enthusiast, then also you are most welcome to take this course. Or if you are a person who is just interested in solving computational problems, then you will find a lot of interesting problems in this entire course that will sharpen up your problem-solving skills. So anyone who is interested in solving computational problems can take this course. So this is the target audience of this course. Now I hope you got the idea whether you are the right person to take this course or not. Also, before taking this course, make sure you know C programming basics. We will be using C-like syntax for most algorithms. Understanding discrete math and data structures is also important. I will simplify concepts for you as much as I can, but knowing these basics will boost your success in this course. So make sure to keep these prerequisites in mind. We have understood what is an algorithm in this lecture. We got the overview of what we can expect from this course, and we got whether you are the right person to take this course or not. So with this, we are done with the introduction lecture. Okay friends, this is it for now. Thank you for watching this lecture. I will see you in the next one.